Yeah, what's up guys, we're here today. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE. Another vlog here in Nairobi guys. We are enjoying in Langata, and I'm with, of course, my friend Nasto. Nasto, this place is called
Nairobi Safari Walk.
Nairobi Safari Walk. So yeah, Nasto is here.
It's in Langata. There's also an orphanage. Actually, it's something like a park and also a conservative area managed by the Kenya Wildlife Service. Yeah, so we just saw the rhino. We've actually seen a lot of animals over here, and also we're here as patriots, just to enjoy also the beauty of our country.
Yeah,
you know, in most places that are not conserved, you do not see trees like this, forests like this. And also this tells us that we really need to preserve nature. So guys, my name is Nasto. Welcome to Maj_KE. We are here in Nairobi. I think today is the last day here.
Yeah.
We discovered about this place, and also we wanted to share with you this amazing and beautiful part of Kenya. I know maybe most of you have been to Nairobi and maybe have never been to this place. Yeah. So today we want to show you, if you are in Nairobi, you can come to explore this place. You can see a rhino. I don't know if there's elephant. So we'll show you everything that is in this place. I can see ostrich, zebras. Yes. Yeah. So you don't have to travel maybe to very far. Yeah. To experience this beauty.
Yeah. So guys, for more information on this place, I think my video just started here. But for more information, you can check on Nasto's channel. He has done a lot. So on this like this park.
So this is the rhino.
This is the rhino. Yeah. Rhino.
And you can see guys, the population is really going down. So in the 1970s, there were over 20,000. Yeah. But now this was taken in 2001. Yeah. There are very few, less than 2,000. Yeah, so maybe less than. Yeah. I hope they're there. It's the most famous international. Estimated 65,000 rhinos were there in 1970s. Yeah. But now imagine less than 2,000.
Imagine guys. So this is Nairobi guys. So I don't know what is happening, but I believe everything is good. Guys, here we have even places to wash your hands. Yeah. Very nice places. Hey, this is international. Oh, no water. No water. So guys, keep on watching as we walk with you guys to show you more about this exploration.
Giraffe.
Oh.
Over here, guys.
Yeah.
Over there. This is the closest.
Hello. Yeah, even. Hello. Hello. Yeah, guys, we have a giraffe here. This is my first time like near. Yeah. Wow, guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. Yeah, and if you're in Nairobi, kindly come and visit this place. So nice. Yeah. This place is so big, guys. I never like imagined we could have a place like this that is so big in Nairobi, because Nairobi is so congested. But right now you can see like this place is so like amazing and so big, and it's a forest in Nairobi. Imagine Langata. Yeah, so I think this is one of the best things that maybe the government has done here in Kenya, especially in Nairobi. Yeah, you can visit places, you feel like you're in the village. Like for me, I really feel like I can stay here. I can stay in this kind of forest because it's cool. It's very like I can say it's vibrant and yeah, it's so nice, guys. See the view from here. You can't even know you're in Nairobi. Wow, wow, guys, this is so nice. Yeah, we also have a river here. Wow, it's like a waterfall over there. Feel like going and having going there. Have a cold shower over there, guys. Yeah, and the road is right there, just here. Not a waterfall, but kind of a waterfall. So the road is just there. Yeah, just near here. Wow, that is a plane down. Yeah, so guys, this is how we are enjoying the view here in this place. Wow.
Right, and then I give.
Yeah, so guys, we are writing our names here. So in case you visit this place, so we are writing our names here. This is Nasto.
Yeah, because I've seen a lot of people writing names here.
Yeah.
So we also want to.
So also Maja is going to write his name here. So when you visit, Maja. Yeah, so that is Maja. Yeah, so guys, when you visit here, you'll find our names here. This is Maja and Nasta is here. Yeah, so guys, this is the best place to be in Nairobi if you want to have a very good adventure while in Nairobi. Maybe avoiding the noisy places in Nairobi, maybe in town. You can come here and chill, maybe and have a good vibe, maybe seeing the giraffes, buffaloes, and all the animals that we want to see, guys. I don't know if you have anaconda here, or anaconda, that is maybe the big snakes here. So no, Nast is afraid.
I've not seen a snake.
Yeah, even me. It's a very chilled place, yeah?
Yeah, very chilled. And also, I like the fact that we have the KWS officials.
Yeah, officials.
Taking, like keeping guard and everything.
Yeah.
So we're trying also to just have a random walk.
Yeah. So next, I don't know where we're going, but
go now like this.
Like this. Hey, guys, I don't know if we'll find our way back at the gate, but anyway, let's explore. And you know, exploring is also healthy. And yeah. Wow. And the good thing I've liked about this place, we have a lot of places to sit, like the benches to sit. Anaconda hapo. So yeah, we have a lot of places here to chill. Wow, the forest. We are walking, and that's the thing, we'll get hungry. We are walking too much, so much. But yeah, it's good to walk, exercise.
The only thing that I've not seen around here, I wish they had planted fruits.
Yeah.
Maybe like guavas, mangoes, passion fruits.
Yeah.
So that,
you know, also, you know, the monkeys like fruits.
Yeah, they can plant now, so that also people now can be enjoying, monkeys can be enjoying.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I've not seen like in this place. But for nature, I think it's
very good. Yeah.
Very good.
For nature walk.
There are tourists walking. We have also locals.
Yeah.
Such as students.
Yeah.
Also moving around. Which is good. What I also want to really see.
Yeah, even me, I've never seen a lion like
live.
live. Now we are trying to look for is it here really? Maybe, maybe, we don't know. Yeah, hopefully we'll find a lion. So guys, keep walking with us and enjoy the video. Yeah, till the end. Yeah, so guys, here we have the lion over here. They're sleeping. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Yeah. So maybe from here it's clear. So this is where the lion is, and it's locked so much. So yeah, so guys, this is where the lion is. I don't know if it's the lion den or let's see it from here. Let's see it from here, guys. Oh, sleeping. Yeah, sleeping. Yes, so guys, this is my first time seeing the lion live. I've never seen a lion live, guys. And sorry for my sound today. I just woke up. I think I have a flu, but anyway, I hope my sound is coming out clear. Yeah, so guys, let's read here. This is African lion Simba. So lion is Simba in Swahili language. So identification. The largest of cats in ranging in color from nearly white to ochre brown. Males start characteristics, and the name is fully developed at 5 to 6 years. Yeah, habitat open country. Yeah, so we can read all of this and all of this, but anyway, I think you have the information from here, guys. And yeah, I'm so happy to be here. So we have kids also from school. They have come to experience more about this place, guys. So we also have a place here that I don't know. Wow. We have a bird here, ostrich. We have an ostrich here. Oh wow, guys, from here this is an ostrich. Over there I have a lot of animals. Ostrich live. I've never seen an ostrich, guys. For sure I've never seen an ostrich like live, guys. That is it. So big, and I believe it's very heavy. Zebras. Yeah, so guys, this is what we're getting from here. So guys, this is the place. So beautiful. This is how this place looks like. Guys, you're enjoying with me this place, because I'm really enjoying this place. It's very cool and very nice to chill. So yeah, so we are just going up and seeing the place how it looks like. See from also that place. Yeah, wow. Leopard. So this is where the leopard is. In Swahili they call it chui, the leopard. I don't know if you can get it, guys, over here. I don't know where you can get it. Let's try and see if we can get the leopard here. Yeah, so this is the place where the leopard lives. Trying to find a leopard in Africa. And yeah. We're trying to find the leopard, guys, but I don't know where it is. But anyway, yeah. Tall trees. So guys, I also want to show you
the Leopard. It's somewhere where?
Up there. Guys, I'm still trying to tell me I take care I don't go to Leopard. This is where I'm standing from.
Let's dress our friends and everything.
It's over there. Yeah. Yeah, so also we have a river here that is very nice, and this place is made modern. Yeah, I don't know why they had this idea of making this modern. Okay, it's my opinion, I think they should leave it to be very natural, but it's very nice for here. But for adventure, I think it should remain very natural, like the other side, that place over there. You can see the footbridge is made of wood, not even wood, the trees and woods. But for here, I think this is modern. This is plastic. Yeah, so you can see from here. Yeah, but it's very nice, the view from here, the adventure over there. You can see the forest, the beauty of, yeah, this is the beauty of Africa, guys. This is Africa for real. Yeah, so this is how this place looks like, guys. So if you're in Nairobi, you haven't been here, it's a very good place to come and chill and have, maybe, you know, sometimes you have like stress or whatever. You can chill here, relax, see the leopard, lions and everything, guys. So I recommend you to come here, of course. So yeah, this is how the nature is here, and the sun is so bright from the other side. Yeah, so guys, this is our last, also not our last animal, but yeah, so guys, this is zebra over here, and yeah, I don't know if you can see it closer. Yeah. So we are, at least we are that exhausted, so we have to go and get some lunch. It's lunchtime here, so we go and get some lunch. Then guys, keep on watching, because we're going to give you more vibes, and keep on supporting Maja_KE Road to Success, guys. And I'm really happy to be here today. I'm really yeah, it's a very good vibe. In Nairobi, I never knew a place like this exists. You know, when you're here, it's kind of a village, you know, like you can live. I really admire a place like this. So guys,